All right, so number 7, it says Ophelia Payne is walking to her building, which she knows is 150 feet high. So, first part, got a building 150 feet tall. The angle to the top of the building from her current location is 6 degrees. How much further does she need to walk round to the nearest 10th? All right, so Ophelia, she's walking to her office building. So probably went out for a cup of coffee and now she has to walk back to her building. So let's sketch her building real quick. Let's make it a gray building here. So we got a gray building. And some windows on our building here. And a little door. Nice little building. Let's put a little chimney on it too. Why not? Alright, so we got our building here. And it says that this building is 150 feet tall. So 150 feet tall. The angle to the top of the building from Ophelia's current location is 6 degrees. So the angle to the top of the building from her current location. So let's say Ophelia is right here. So the angle from here to the top of the building, it says, is 6 degrees. So that means this angle is going to be 6 degrees. How much further does Ophelia need to walk? So do you guys see the little joke here? Ophelia Payne, like I feel your pain. I don't know, a little funny, little pun on names there. But anyways, moving on. So it wants to know how much further she need to walk. So we need to figure out this distance from here to her building. How far does she need to walk? So to get this value, we're going to do the same thing we always do, right trig on trig. First, identify your angle. That's our 6 degrees. Second, identify your sides. That's opposite. That's adjacent. Step 3, pick your trig function. So out of our trig functions, we got so, ka, toa. So out of those ones, which one has opposite and adjacent? Tangent does. So that's the function we're going to use. So we're going to say the tangent of our angle, 6 degrees in this case, is equal to the opposite side, 150, over the adjacent side, x. So from here, we just have to solve this equation for x. Remember, if the variable's on the bottom, you just divide by that trig function. So we're going to say x is equal to 150 divided by the tangent of 6. From there, all you do is put this in your calculator to solve. So we're going to say 150 divided by the tangent of 6. Hit enter. And there we go. Whew, Ophelia's got a pretty far distance to walk here. It says round to the nearest 10th. So we're going to say 1,427 point, the 10th is the first decimal place, so 0.2, because the 5 makes that 1 round up. So x is equal to 1,427.2. X equals 1,427.2 feet from her building. So that's how far Ophelia needs to walk. So Ophelia needs to walk 1,427.2 feet. That is, wow, that is a distance. Okay. Number 7, done.